One good practice for the playground environments, but that is completely optional, is to separate like your production environment or the other environment, the original one, from the demo environment. And you can create different clusters with Qovery, you know that. So let's say that you have this environment that is running on your main cluster. It could be like so this one, let's say it's on the production cluster. So this one could be on the production one. So we can put like this. Yes. And those environments, you want to have this on your, it's your playground cluster. So you can separate that. And for that, it's as simple as this. So if you go back to your to Qovery, then you can go get into the settings of your organizations, the clusters, adding a new cluster. So let's say now it's playground cluster, Amazon. Then you can select the region where you want to deploy that. You can even associate, as you know, like another account, like AWS account, and managing all of that from the same interface. It's a good practice to separate the AWS accounts that are used for the production or staging and your development and playground environment. So you can create like this. So let's say, yes, I want that. I'm going to take one EC2 instance for that. In large, let's take a large. Yes, let's take a large. Then like this and create it. And that's it. We can install it. So we are going to wait just a few moments to get that running so we can show the logs and see that the installation is in progress. So it's just gonna take like a few moments, few minutes to install everything. So preparing the VPC, security groups, cluster. So it's just an EC2 instance with K3s that is running. And then what we'll do is that once it's ready, just starting to deploy our playground environment on that instance, you will see. All right.